one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Mnangagwa calls for an urgent Politburo meeting. The 26th of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Fireworks are expected at ZANU-PF's urgent Politburo meeting this Wednesday, as the ruling party grapples with intensifying factional tensions following President Emerson Mnangagwa's controversial event in Mashonaland Central. The official notice, signed by party spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa, instructs members to convene at the ZANU-PF headquarters on the 27th of August 2025. While the meeting was framed as routine, party insiders confirm the timing is deliberate, coming only days after uproar over a promotional flyer for Mnangagwa's title deeds distribution program in Mazo West. The flyer caused widespread discontent after businessman KUTYA Tagwari's portrait was placed in a commanding position, larger than the president's, alongside a pledge that he would give out 2 Ford Ranger trucks. By comparison, Mnangagwa's own image appeared smaller and less prominent, sparking accusations that the event had been converted into a political showcase for both the president and his billionaire ally. For many in the ruling party, the optics were unmistakable. Tagwari's prominence was read as a calculated snub to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, whose faction continues to see him as Mnangagwa's rightful successor after the 2017 coup. The ZANU-PF Patriot's social media account swiftly condemned the flyer as highly inappropriate and misleading, declaring this is a presidential event, and it is unacceptable to position CDE Tagwari above the president. Analysts, however, say the saga extends beyond mere publicity blunders. They argue the incident reflects Mnangagwa's deliberate strategy of weakening Chiwenga's military-aligned camp by elevating businessmen, technocrats, and loyalists. Tagwari, a wealthy fuel magnate and one of ZANU-PF's most influential financiers, has become a visible symbol of this shift. In ZANU-PF, symbols are power. One Harare-based political analyst observed, Tagwari's oversized image was not an accident. It was a signal that Mnangagwa increasingly relies on financiers rather than generals. The Mazo event itself, where Mnangagwa distributed 1,000 title deeds and launched irrigation kits targeting war veterans and smallholder farmers, has now been overshadowed by the factional storm. What should have bolstered Mnangagwa's empowerment legacy has instead deepened perceptions of a looming succession battle within ZANU-PF. Wednesday's Politburo session is therefore expected to be heated. Although the official agenda has not been revealed, insiders predict discussions will center on protocol breaches, image management, and the growing political influence of business elites.